Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. If you're new here, I am always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. I also read the comments and make sure to keep my eye out for anything specific that my viewers are looking for. So feel free to leave what you're looking for, your education and your background down below. But with that being said, we will keep today's video as short as possible. I do just want to say staffing agencies are a great place if you are looking for temporary work so that you can have money coming in the door and you can make money while you are applying for jobs and putting in applications looking for your full-time dream job, because we all know sometimes with the putting of the applications, waiting for callbacks, going through interviews, reference checks, sometimes getting a full-time dream job can take a little bit of time. And sometimes temporary agencies will turn into a full-time job. It's a way for companies to test out people, and they can let them go for no reason rather than having to do a whole write-up firing process if they don't work out, because it is through a temp agency. So a lot of companies do use temp agencies to test out people, and then they give permanent positions to those that do well. So temp agencies are never a bad thing. Acuant is a temporary agency, and this position is a communication specialist. It is temporary, but they are paying $30 an hour plus competitive benefits. The start date for this is June 27th, so get those applications in, because that is only like 2.5, 3 weeks at the most. They are going to be hiring and doing interviews pretty quickly. They are looking for a communication specialist to implement communication programs within a department or business unit. You'll be working directly with HM and the team to develop communication plans to make sure partners are informed on changes. You'll host virtual events, help edit and develop training materials. You'll be emailing out newsletters, PowerPoint decks, putting together engagement opportunities, and involved with training. Some of the key projects are improving back of the house experience, company-wide transformation plan, collection of projects that they may be working on, and delivering inventory in smaller quantities with higher velocity. But they do have some pretty good benefits. They pay up to 85% of the premiums for your health, vision, and dental benefits. They offer 401k, and it says weekly direct deposit. Not only do you make $30 an hour, but you get paid weekly. And they also help you with resume and portfolio setup and review so you can get that permanent full-time job. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.